Are you looking for natural ways to burn fat and boost metabolism? Here are 5 simple weight loss teas you can make at home, each packed with powerful benefits for a healthier you. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle, your home for healthy recipes. Let us start with the recipe. First one is ginger lemon tea. It is a soothing, refreshing drink made with fresh ginger and lemon. It boosts immunity, aids digestion, reduces bloating, and helps to detoxify the body while giving a warm, zesty flavor perfect for weight loss and overall well-being. To prepare ginger lemon tea, take 1-inch sized fresh ginger. You can crush it like this or you can grate it and transfer it to a saucepan. Add 1 cup of water and heat it. When the water starts boiling, cover a lid and put it to simmer. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and allow it to steep for few seconds. Filter it and squeeze half lemon. Serve hot. Fresh ginger lemon tea is ready to serve. For best results, consume it early morning, empty stomach. Second weight loss tea is Tulsi Tea. It is a calming herbal infusion made from holy basil leaves. Rich in antioxidants, it helps to reduce stress, boosts immunity, supports respiratory health, and promotes overall well-being with its refreshing flavor. To prepare Tulsi tea, heat 1 cup of water in saucepan. This is holy basil or Tulsi leaves, and do not use the flower. This is the inflorescence of Tulsi. You should never use Tulsi flowers. Use 8 to 10 Tulsi leaves and bring it to boil. Boil it for 5 minutes and filter it. Very simple but very effective Tulsi tea is ready to serve. Our third important weight loss drink is Jeera Pani or Cumin Water. It is a simple detox drink made by boiling cumin seeds in water. It aids in digestion, boosts metabolism, reduces bloating, and helps in weight management while helping the body cool and refreshed. To prepare cumin water or Jeera Pani, boil 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, put it to simmer and cover a lid. Allow it to infuse for a few minutes and switch off the flame. Filter it and serve hot. Best time to consume Jeera Pani is early morning, empty stomach. Our next important tea preparation is turmeric tea. It is a golden healing drink packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It supports weight loss, joint health, boosts immunity, aids in digestion, promotes overall wellness with soothing flavor. To prepare turmeric tea, boil 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh organic turmeric powder, or you can use fresh turmeric and crush it and use it. Here I am using 4 peppercorns. Just crush it and make it powder and add it to the boiling turmeric mix. Pepper enhances the functioning of turmeric. Turmeric contains a chemical called curcumin. It enhances the functioning of the curcumin. So while using turmeric, you have to add pepper for proper functioning of the turmeric. Once it starts boiling, put it to simmer and boil for 5 minutes and switch off the flame. Filter it. Squeeze half lemon and serve hot. Super healthy turmeric tea is ready to serve. You can use this as a morning drink or bedtime drink also. Next important preparation is cinnamon tea. It is a warm aromatic drink that helps in weight loss, balances blood sugar, boosts metabolism, improves digestion, supports heart health, helps to reduce premenstrual tension, menstrual cramps with a natural sweet and spicy flavor. To prepare cinnamon tea, heat 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Add cinnamon sticks and bring it to boil. Once the water starts boiling, put it to simmer and cover a lid. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and allow it to steep for 5 minutes. Filter it and squeeze half lemon juice. Super healthy cinnamon tea is ready to serve. Friends, do try these recipes and let me know how it has turned out. Till then, eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.